Looking for high-quality indoor speakers that deliver big sound without breaking the bank? The Acoustic Audio AA321W mountable wired speakers offer exactly that. Designed for easy installation and exceptional audio performance, these compact speakers fit seamlessly into any room while providing clear, full-range sound from 150 Hz to 20 kHz. What makes these speakers stand out is their traditional passive design, which means you simply connect them to any amplifier or receiver with raw speaker wire outputs. With a power range between 20 and 200 watts per channel, they easily adapt to your existing setup. The 2.5-inch polypropylene woofers inside each speaker produce crisp sound with an 88 decibels sensitivity at 8 ohms, so you get rich audio without distortion. Durability is another key feature. The AA321W speakers come housed in white ABS-sealed cabinets that resist wear and tear. Each unit measures just 3.5 by 3.5 by 4.5, making them compact enough for tight spaces. Plus, the included mounting brackets and hardware make it easy to secure them on walls or ceilings, perfect for home theaters, whole-house audio systems, or even commercial spaces like retail stores and patios. One satisfied customer shared how these speakers perfectly complemented their Pioneer 7.1 system, praising their sound quality and unbeatable price. They noted that while the design could be a bit more refined, the value for money was outstanding. This feedback highlights how the AA321W speakers deliver professional-grade sound without demanding a premium investment. Inside the box, you get two Acoustic Audio AA321W speakers, mounting brackets with hardware, and a clear instruction manual to guide you through setup. Whether you're enhancing your home theater surround sound or installing a whole-house audio system, these speakers offer versatile performance that fits your needs. If you're ready to upgrade your audio experience with reliable, mountable wired speakers that bring clear, full-range sound to any space, the Acoustic Audio AA321W is worth a look. Compact, durable, and easy to install, they provide the sound quality you want at a price that fits your budget. Try the Acoustic Audio AA321W speakers when you're ready to enjoy better sound with a simple setup. They're a smart choice for anyone who values quality, flexibility, and affordability in their home audio system.